BISSELL-powered carpet cleaners are some of the most recognisable on the market for their powerful cleaning action, versatile usage and advanced technology. The SpotClean HydroSteam Professional offers an easy way to take care of spot cleaning, whether on furniture, in the car or on the carpet. The BISSELL SpotClean HydroSteam Professional is a capable cleaner for all kinds of stains on carpets, upholstery, stairs, rugs and more. A lightweight and portable cleaner, this device is easy to move around the house right where you need it. It features a 1.5 metre long hose and generous cord length so you can reach just about anywhere. With 3 cleaning modes available, this is a versatile device that can handle all kinds of mess. Steam wash, customised for tough, oily messes. Steam mode is great for quickly refreshing upholstery and cleaning tile and grout. Wash mode is designed to handle irregular home and pet stains. With specialised tools, the SpotClean HydroSteam Professional can tackle just about any job you need. The 8cm tool makes it easy to reach tight areas and small stains without overrun. The 12cm tool provides a wider path for upholstery, stairs and larger stain areas. The multi-surface tool provides powerful cleaning action for odd jobs like tile, grout and even curtains and sneakers. The Hydro Rinse, a self-cleaning tool, helps maintain the device, cleaning the machine hose itself to make cleaning more effective. The SpotClean HydroSteam Professional is a versatile spot cleaner that helps take care of mess in your home. It's easy to use and highly effective at tackling even the toughest stains.